All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the people of occupied Kashmir continue to suffocate under unprecedented Indian repression as Narendra Modi-led fascist government is stifling political dissent through state terrorism in the territory. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the Modi regime is using every brutal tactic including killings, arbitrary detentions and torture to suppress the Kashmiris' freedom struggle but will never succeed in its nefarious designs. Body of a missing civilian was recovered from Kupwara district. Dead body of a 65-year-old Muhammad Shaban who went missing last week was recovered from the outskirts of the district. Meanwhile, the family members of 21-year-old deceased youth Keshav Kumar assembled on the main highway opposite Government Medical College Katwa district and demanded inquiry into the mysterious death of the youth. Delhi High Court has partially set aside a trial court's order dated February 4, which had discharged 11 persons including Sharjeel Imam, Asif Iqbal Tanha and Safura Zargar in a case registered against them in 2019. This comes after the Delhi police filed a revision petition against the trial court's order. People staged a protest demonstration today in Baramulla district against the anti-people policies of the authorities. According to Kashmir Media Service, the residents of Sangmara area of the district held a demonstration against the frequent power cuts. They blocked the Srinagar-Baramulla highway, thereby halting the traffic movement on the road. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has urged the international community to take immediate cognizance of the rapidly deteriorating human rights situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. APHC AJK leaders Sheikh Abdul Mateen, Sheikh Yaqub Imtiaz Wani, Zahid Ashraf and Imran Qazi in their statements issued in Islamabad said that the people have been facing the worst Indian state terrorism for the last over 74 years. A video of cow vigilantes including Ashok Chabra, the state government of Haryana's media coordinator and a BJP worker closing down meat dealer stalls in Krishnapur city of the Panipat district amid the holy month of Ramadan has gone viral on social media. This is not the first time that Hindutva Bajrang Dal members have shut down meat shops in BJP-ruled states like Haryana. These incidents have been happening ever since the BJP came into power in India in 2014.